Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Yubo account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Yubo app. Firstly, you just have to open your Yubo application. And after opening the application, go to your profile by clicking on this profile icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Go to the settings. Now, after coming to your Yubo profile, you can see this gear icon in the top right corner. You just simply have to click on that in order to go to your settings. After coming to settings, you just simply have to scroll a bit and you can see this delete account button here. Step 3. Delete the account. Now, just simply tap on this delete account button and type delete into the box given here. After typing delete, just simply click on this delete button and your account will be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.